Hey guys, this is video 5 of making the Death Angel from just useless materials. You probably saw in last video that I finished all the designs for the build and these are just like the designs before I put all the glue and packing paper on. And that's basically what I'm going to do in this video. So I actually need to add, some more designs like teeth and just some other things throughout the build that I need to put on like some extra glue or like some little cardboard pieces. That's about it for like finishing the designs. Then I just need to cover everything, even the base, in glue and packing paper, along with this, and this will be the hardest. So I might do the base first. We'll see. Okay, so I'm actually done with all the designs for the build, so now I need to add glue and packing paper to the entire thing. And as you can see, I haven't added the teeth yet, but I'm actually planning to do that after I put on the glue and packing paper, just so that it's easier, because I want to have them in a certain way, but I also want to finish, filling the inside of the mouth, and, I can't do that if all the teeth are in the way, so I'm going to do that after the glue and packing paper. Right now I'm going to get started on that. So I just finished covering the base in glue and packing paper. So that's all finished. I did the rocks. I did where all the holes are, where it's gonna be like attached, over here too. Now I'm gonna start covering the monster in glue and packing paper. Okay guys, I think this is all for today. I just started covering the monster with glue and packing paper. You see over here like the claws and on this arm. And I already finished the base like I said before. So this is all for today. The video for this should be out next week, like on Monday, hopefully. See you guys then. Alright guys, it is the next day. Now we're going to finish adding all the glue and packing paper to the entire body. I just finished the head. I'm going to finish adding all the other details. I just finished all the designs and details for the entire build. Now that I'm done with this, I can actually start painting, and that will be for the next video. I'll also add a varnish just to preserve the entire thing. So as you can see, I just added all the glue and packing paper, and it kind of just finishes off that detail. Make sure to subscribe to stick around to see the finished result. And I'll put a video right here, and actually this is a playlist of the entire series, so if you want, you can go check that out and see the entire series from day one.